Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change camera angle in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. Just pause the game, go to the options, select the first one, presentation options, and right here first option you have is gameplay camera. So you can change it to standard, ram facing, third person, or back to default. So choose whichever you like, and underneath of that we have the option for camera targeting as well. So you can change it to, and just to save the changes click on the option apply, hit the back button, and yep, you can see the camera angle is changed. Also, if you want to change it again, pause the game, go to the options, select this one, and this time we're gonna choose ram facing, select apply, hit the back button, and yep, there you go, the camera angle is changed. You can do the same even if you're on the home screen. You just need to go to the gameplay and then you will able to find it under presentation. But yeah, this is exactly how you will able to change camera angle in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.